Hey, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I've made this bowl. Look, it's a pink heart, but it's also an owl. In fact, I've made lots of them. We've got some more owls here. We've got a penguin. They've all got hearts in. And we get lots of visitors to the studio, so I wanted something that was affordable, that's effectively a souvenir. Frequent visitors to the studio is Barney, the Bernese hound, and Lisa's little pug. We've also got some foxes, and of course our favourite, the seagull. Not everybody's favourite. Some Cheshire cats, a pigeon who looks more like a vulture. But anyway, as usual, I've written an accompanying verse. Look at these two cheeky owls appearing on these cheeky bowls. This one's a barn owl, this one's a tawny, and their favourite soup is mulligatawny.